Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious rhubarb muffins. First, gather your ingredients, including fresh rhubarb, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Wash and chop your rhubarb into small, half-inch pieces, ensuring they are ready to be incorporated into the batter. This preparation is key for even distribution and flavor. Now, let's mix our batter. Create a well in your dry ingredients and pour in the wet mixture. Gently fold everything together until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins. Finally, carefully fold in your chopped rhubarb. You want to distribute it evenly without crushing the pieces too much. It's time to bake. Line your muffin tin and fill each cup about 2/3 full with the batter. Bake your muffins in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. To check if they are done, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. It should come out clean. For an extra treat, consider adding a streusel topping before baking for a delightful crunch. You can also experiment by adding other fruits, such as strawberries or blueberries, for a different flavor profile. Once cooled, store your delicious rhubarb muffins in an airtight container to keep them fresh for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.